Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, I'm going to be fishing with the Fish Arrow Flash J 3-inch swim bait. We're going to see what this little swim bait can do. So let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny. Want to welcome you to the next video here. In this video, you're going to see dinks and one big donk. And I just wanted to kind of start this video off and tell everybody how much I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video all the way to the end as you see the bass get bigger and bigger as the video goes on. So let's go ahead and start the video. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny. Want to welcome you to the next video here. As I said before, we're going to be fishing with this Fish Arrow Flash J 3-inch. This is the actual 3-inch version of the 4-inch I was fishing with last week in the last video. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to be running our, not test, but we're going to be fishing with this lure right here so you can see what's going to happen with it. So please like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, hit the like button, and let's go ahead and see what this little swim bait can do. All right. There we go. There we go. Good job. On that minnow. On that minnow right there. All right. Nice hookup. All right. There we go. That was a nice little jump right there on that Arrowhead Flash J shad on the 3-incher. He jumped and took it. All right. There we go. There we go. He took that one down. As soon as it landed, he was on it. He was on it. A little Flash J 3-incher right there. Yep, he was on that. There we go. There we go. All right. On that minnow. On that J shad right there. All right. A little one. All right. Another little one. Another little one there. All right. Come all the way through that grass and get it. All right. Another little one here. But they are hungry for those minnows. There we go. There we go. All right. That's a little better one. A little bit better. All right. A little better one. There we go. There we go. Well, that minnow. All right. All right. There we go. Nice one. Nice one. Look at that one, everybody. On that minnow. Looked him good. All right. All right. There he is right there. A little over a pound. All right, everybody. Fishing with that minnow. And that little Japanese minnow, that little 3-inch minnow. He was in those bushes, but I got him to come out and he hit it. Hit it when it landed. So no complaints. All right. All right, everybody. Nice healthy one here, a little over a pound. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, God. That was a nice one. He was hunting. God, that was a nice one. There we go. Gotcha. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Yeah. There we go, everybody. Woo. Oh, there we go. And he broke it off in his mouth. There we go. Look at that. Broke it away. Look at that one right there, everybody. Nice, nice. Oh my God. Look at that. Little minnow right there. This big old bass on this little Japanese minnow right there. All right. All right. There it goes right there. Nice, big, nice one right here. All right. Hey, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now what we're going to do is do a closer look of the Fish Arrow Flash J 3-inch. So let's check it out now. Okay, everybody, here it is. The Fish Arrow Flash J Shad in the 3-inch pattern here. I want to show you some things about it. Really unique about this lure here. Look at that. It even has first a lateral line that actually runs through the actual minnow itself, which is very unique. It has that almost aluminum foil type of shine that's on the inside of it that runs through the entire lure. It's got the boot tail in the back here, so it has lots of kicking action, even though it's a 3-inch minnow. Look at this right here. Notice the design that's even in the actual lure itself. It's even got little scales on it as well. It also has a split right here so that you could actually run the hook through here and make this a weedless presentation, or you can do it where the hook is exposed and run it that way, or you could, and look at the front here, it's kind of got a cup in the front of it right here. So the mouth is kind of cupped here as well and elevated, which means you could also do it as a drop shot as well. And just to give you a little bit of comparison here between the 3-inch and the 4-inch. Here is the actual 4-inch lure right here that I had in my previous video. So this was the 4-inch lure right here, as you can see, the 4-inch one, and then this is the actual 3-inch one in the same model. So the color is a little bit different, but that sheen and that shine is still the same right here, running through the center of it as well. So this lure right here, as you can see, great design to it, great pattern, bluegill pattern, really does get bit and has great action. So there you go, the Fish Arrow Flash J Shad in the 3-inch. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video there and that closer look at the Fish Arrow Flash J Shad in the 3-inch, and that's the one that we've got right here, just so you guys can see right here. Now, a couple of things here I want to share with you guys here. Of course, you can buy this particular lure at Tackle Warehouse, and they have probably 3-inch, 4-inch lures there as well. Also, you could buy Live Target. Live Target also has their own version that you've actually seen me fish with here as well. And one of the things about fishing in topwater and also just in general is that you've really got to match the hatch. And I fish a lot of topwater, but I've been fishing these little swim bait lures and these bigger swim bait lures because they really match the hatch at the subsurface level. And when these bass are feeding on the surface or just subsurface, you really want something that really mimics what they are chasing. So that's why in my videos, you're going to see me using bluegill swim baits, things that look like what the bass are feeding on in the ponds and lakes that I fish in. Not always pure top water. Sometimes it's just subsurface. So like in this video here, that last bass you saw me catch was a really big bass, well over 3 pounds. As you saw, caught him on this tiny, tiny little swim bait here, because that's what they were feeding on. He was a little hurt, but I made sure I got him back in the water. As you saw, he swam off just fine, but he inhaled this particular little lure right here. And by doing that, let me see something here. By doing that, he really like broke off. He broke off right when I got him out of the water. And I'll just show you what he did to that little leader right there. He totally ripped that piece off right there. See, I'm just kind of showing you guys right there, that little piece. So I had to come up with definitely use bigger leaders. And when you use bigger leaders, you're also going to cause this little lure here to sink a lot deeper in the water column as well. But it was a great catch, and I was really happy to end that video on that note there. Now, as we go forward, I've got a lot of little wake baits and swim baits that I'm going to be fishing and showing you guys, because I've had them in my tackle box and I'm now at a right situation, meaning where I'm fishing, that I can use them. So we're going to do a little bit more of that as well. Just want to send a special shout out to all those that have been supporting me, encouraging me along the way here, and also sharing with me their thoughts and ideas on how to be a better fisherman. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys and all of your comments there. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to close out the video now. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit the like button. If you got any questions or any comments, please leave them below, because you know I will respond to them. And I just appreciate each and every one of you. So once again, my name is Topwater Johnny, and I'm going to say that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, especially those little swim baits, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.